Alright, I wanted to make a quick video of this 1993 Honda Beat. Having to be quick because it got here Friday. It's Monday now, and a buddy of mine's coming to pick it up. This thing's pretty unique, and I just wanted to get some footage of it before it goes away. Haven't done much to it. Just did an oil change real quick and drove it around the neighborhood a bit. But this body kit on here is sweet. If anybody knows what this is, definitely let me know, because I haven't been able to find any information about this specific kit. Give you a closer look around it. It needs a little love, a little bit of fiberglass work here and there. Only real rust spot is right here on the hood. Otherwise, not too bad. This front bumper's super aggressive. Definitely love the look of it. Car did come with some leather seat covers. They were pretty nicely fit, but I just wanted to see the zebra print underneath because it's like the coolest thing ever. So the original owner in Japan was definitely going for like a Type R theme on this car. It was repainted. The car was red originally. This is like that Type R white. I don't know the exact name of the car or to the color, but it does definitely have an Integra Type R steering wheel in it and a shift knob, which is awesome in this car because it's got a nice little weight to it. Shifter feel in this thing is amazing. Literally, I would say it's probably the best shifter feel I've felt in any car I've ever driven. Car did come with a dash cam system. I got one mounted in the rear here, and then there was one up front on the dashboard, but the mount was broken. But get a kick of this. Here we have your dash cam system strategically mounted to a spatula. The SD card was in it. I've got a bunch of footage of it driving around Japan. Some cool pictures. Another little unique factor, it looks like the center piece was missing for like the center console, so they had replaced that with a tissue box. Well, even crazier yet, I lift it up and it's got Honda brand tissues in it. I don't even know where you'd have found that stuff. It's pretty wild. Do a cold start here. Car makes all the proper Japanese noises when you turn the key over. this thing yells at you because the SD card's not in it, so just power it down. Go ahead and fire it up. This car has a LED headlight conversion done to it. Looked like a fairly new conversion too. It looked real good at night. Also got a full J-Works header back exhaust on it. It looks like there's a cat. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if that's truly a cat or not, but it does have equal length primaries, which is pretty cool. Sounds real good. I guess it is a pretty common issue in these cars for the clusters to go out. This one does have a replaced cluster in it that reads currently 6,296 kilometers. The car actually has about 137,000 kilometers on it, and I've got documentation that proves that. So at least there's a way to keep track of the car's true mileage.